Hi, today I want to show you how to add Face ID with a mask on iPhone. For that, we need to go in Settings first, tap General, tap Software Update, and make sure that you are updated to iOS 15 or later. And then we can set up Face ID with a mask. So, swipe a bit down to find Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode and you will be able to access Face ID settings. Here, we just need to scroll a bit down to find this section, Face ID with a mask. The point is that you don't need to wear a mask during this process, so you can just toggle on the switch to set it up, and here click Use Face ID with a mask. So just tap Get Started, and as usual, just place your face in this frame, like that, and then you need to move your head slowly to complete this circle. And now Face ID is set up. Also, if for some reason you cannot set it up, then during this circle, you can see on the bottom option Accessibility, so you can tap it and follow on-screen instructions. Now, if you want to, you can also add glasses, but during this process, you need to wear each pair of glasses you wanna set up here. It could be up to 4 pairs. So just click Continue. Also, position your face in this frame. And as you can see, we need to put on glasses and try again. And the last thing you can do here is set up an alternate appearance. So you can click here and set an alternate appearance. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.